Hi Scholarly friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you want to know a quick and easy way to get access to your documents, templates, or start a new document, then keep on watching this video. Here's how you can access Docs Home from within a doc. Open up a document. To open up Docs Home in a new tab, hover over the Docs icon, right-click, and choose Open Link in New Tab. Click on to the new tab where you can create and submit templates. Open a new document and also filter through recent documents within your Google Drive. It might be simple, but it's certainly handy to know, especially when you're in the flow of writing content and want to reference check or extract text from another document. And that's it. Let us know how you get on in the comments section below. Hit the subscribe button and click on that notification bell so you will be notified on our next upload. Thanks and see you on our next video.